And away from that development, the Standard Organization of Nigeria has reiterated its commitment to the development of stakeholders and market-driven standards in Nigeria. Director of Standard of the agency disclosed this at an inauguration of Technical Committee on Standards for Polymer and Related Products in Lagos. A correspondent has details in this report.
For some time now, the issue of the menace posed by plastic waste has gradually moved to the front of the queue in the vexed issue of environmental management in Nigeria, with this also serving as a major sour point in the ongoing debate about roads in Lagos. With plastic having a biodegradable lifespan of over 100 years, the Standards Organization of Nigeria and stakeholders are gathered here to work together through a technical committee on the issue. According to the Director of Standards of the agency, it will always work with stakeholders to develop market and mutually beneficial standards for the Nigerian market.
There's been a lot of concerns and demand for this particular standard by the stakeholders, by even the private sectors and the manufacturers and the others. So even our sister agency, the NEXRA, has also, who is in charge of environment, also has seen the need for us to develop standard for these particular products, and that is why we're here today. So we're here today to look at the standards for recycled PET bottles for application in food packaging.
For his part, team leader of the technical committee, Agbola Afolayan, said the technical committee will help streamline activities in the polymer and related product sector in Nigeria. He added that Nigeria, which currently imports 115 million euros worth of resin yearly, will save scarce foreign exchange once the standards are up and running.
In our midst here, they are waiting. They can go into their investment. When they do so, our brothers and sisters that are in non-employment work will be employed. Then either as a recycler or a collector or even a processor. And at the end of the day, it's going to have a positive impact on the economy of Nigeria, because instead of spending a lot of money importing virgin resin for this product, we can pick what we have used before, recycle it for the same use. And what is more, our environment will be better for it, neater. So environmental sustainability is guaranteed.
For their part, these two members say the standards will ensure reduction in importation and environmental degradation.
The Standards Organization of Nigeria is trying to set up the minimum standards, okay, for the production of the materials at the end of the day, so that people who are probably into the manufacturing, okay, will know what is expected of them, okay, the minimum standards of the quality of the product that should come into the Nigerian market. Now, at the same time, they will set the minimum standards for people who are probably engaged in collection of used or waste bottles that are to serve as feedstock to their own plant, so that you'll be able to educate them on the nature of the products they should bring to them for processing.
You don't necessarily burn it up, but you're reusing the PET. So it's an opportunity for us to be here to see how the standard will crystallize out. At the end of the day, we'll come up with a standard that we can use the PET over and over and over again, and you know what it means economically. Yeah.
They said the technical committee is weighing in to support government's policy through its membership.